So cleaning your toilet in general is not a very fun thing to do for anybody, but I want to try to mitigate the grossness of it. I don't like the idea of cleaning my toilet with a traditional like brush and then just leaving that brush sit right next to my toilet in the bathroom. It's just kind of gross. So I have been definitely loving these Scrubbing Bubbles disposable scrubbing pads. So you buy the wand in the kit, or like the handle with a little clip on it, and then you buy these disposable pads that you just clip right onto that handle, and then you kind of dip it in the toilet water so that the chemicals can be released, and then you just use this to scrub the inside of your toilet. And then when you're done, the most beautiful part is you just leave this in the toilet, you flush it, and it's gone. So for me, that works just a little bit better. Now, I also really like the smell of these, which is kind of neat. It smells really nice, and the whole bathroom kind of smells fresh. The Scrubbing Bubbles is like the same thing you would use just to squirt it in there, and it works really well. And these things, for some reason, aren't usually kept in my local store. I have to go on Amazon and buy them, which is cool that they have them, but it's a bummer that stores don't keep these refillable packages. But thank goodness to Amazon they do. And it's just an easier, in my opinion, slightly cleaner, more convenient way to clean my toilet, which is a thing I don't like to do. So anything you can do to keep it a little bit easier on me makes me do it even more, which is a good thing. And these things I use, they work well for me. They're super convenient. And for those reasons, I would definitely recommend them.